Meaning of discouragingly.
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 Discouragingly. Discouragingly is an adverb that is used to describe something that causes a loss of hope or optimism. When something is described as discouragingly, it suggests that the outcome is not desirable or successful. For example, if someone says that they have been working on a project for months, but the results are discouragingly poor, it means that the project has not been successful in achieving its goals despite the time and effort invested. In short, discouragingly implies a sense of disappointment or failure.